Simple Shine was also nice enough to send me the deep cleaning ultrasonic jewelry cleaner kit. So we are also going to test this out. And I will try to also use some magic bling to see how the two compare. But again, I don't know where you guys can get magic bling. So this might be a good alternative for you guys who are asking me how to clean jewelry. So just some details about the machine. And apparently you can use this to clean jewelry, waterproof watches, eyeglasses, toothbrushes, shaver heads, antique coins, and dentures. So let's turn this baby on and see what it does. Okay, so now back to the ultrasonic. Guys, you really want to read the instructions. These are all the stones that you cannot put in here. I almost put a colored diamond in here, which is not recommended. So please read the instructions before you use this ultrasonic cleaner or any cleaner. And the instructions call for 1 cup of water and 5 capfuls of the concentrate. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, the solution is in. And so now here's the jewelry that I'm going to be cleaning. Some dirty garnet hoops. I have some dirty plain silver jewelry. Again, I read the instructions on what to clean and what not to clean. This is a rhodonite ring. That should be fine. Some diamond and gold earrings because it says it's good for gold too. Here's a gold claddagh ring with an amethyst in it. Here's a diamond ring because it's supposedly remarkable for diamonds. Some diamond hoops right there. Yeah, so some rose gold hoops there. Those are 14 karat. So yeah, we're going to try all of that and see how it works. The machine turns a gorgeous blue. I had to turn the light out so you guys could see it. How pretty, right? Okay, Glamazons, the machine stopped, and this is exactly what it looks like. I haven't touched anything. So my jewelry is shiny. Let's just take a peek. I'm liking what I see. Very nice. So I'm going to put these on paper towel to drain, and then I am going to wipe them down with the cloth. The cloth does not come with the ultrasonic machine, but if you don't have the cloth, just use paper towel, and then we'll see how clean it goes. How clean it's gotten, I should say. And according to the instructions, you do not throw this liquid out. You can reuse it until it gets extremely dirty. So I'm going to use the ring holder and clean the rings while I'm letting this jewelry dry and while I wipe it off. Be right back. Okay, so I had to voice over this part because the machine does make ultrasonic waves and it's coming across really weird on the video, and it's annoying. I don't want you guys to hear that. So yeah, the machine is cleaning the rings. I have the other pieces drying on the paper towel. So when I switch the light off, you can't really see the blue, but there it is. And check it out. I'm going to wipe these down and I will show you, ladies and gents, how everything came out. I was actually quite pleased. Okay, Glamazons, here is the finished product, and I must say my jewelry is absolutely dazzling, sparkling clean. So I would say this is great, especially if you have silver, plain silver or plain gold for the most part. Like, see this mesh bracelet? The ultrasonic was really able to get in there and clean. This ring, which is a rhodochrosite, came out pretty darn clean. They are known for their ability to clean diamonds. The diamond jewelry, it's so clean that the camera doesn't even want to focus, guys. That's how clean this jewelry is. Look at that. Let me see. I cleaned some diamond hoops here. These hoops have a channel set diamonds in them. I cleaned a variety of stuff, gold, silver. These are 14 karat, rose gold earrings. They're shining. These are gold and diamond hoops. Extremely, extremely clean. So this little cleaner did a great job. These are garnets. Look at them. They are so fiery and clean now. Here's a gold ring with an amethyst. So yeah, if you have plain silver or plain gold, I would highly recommend. You really have to look at your jewelry collection and see what type of stones you have, because there is a list of stones that you cannot clean with this cleaner. This is great for CZ jewelry, like if you shop on JTV and you get that Bella Luce, it's great for that. And look at these hoops. These hoops came out so clean. But yeah, if you have a lot of colored diamonds or all the other stones that were listed not to put in there, amber, all that kind of stuff, then I would pass. But yeah, look at that. Like, there you go. Super, super clean. These did not come too clean, but they definitely look better than they did when they went in there. So yeah, I'm going to reuse it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you, Simple Shine, for reaching out to me and sending me these goodies. These are great if you want to clean your jewelry every night, or if you want to just be able to pop it in and go, then this is ideal for you. Yeah, I have no complaints. It did a wonderful job, and I think this is a decent substitute for the magic bling that you guys can't get your hands on that I like to use. So yeah, go for Simple Shine, guys. This is a really good way to clean your jewelry, and they have something for every type of jewelry, so check them out. Bye, Amazons. So here's the magic bling system. I take this paste and I will rub it all over these earrings right here. And then you spray with a little bit of this. Then you wipe it off and voila. Let's see how they turn out. And you can see all the tarnish that just came off of it after it was cleaned with the Simple Shine. So as you can see, it didn't get super clean, but let's continue. Now I'm going to spray it and rinse it, and I'll show you the magic bling versus the other one that I didn't touch. Okay, ladies and gents, can you tell which one was cleaned with magic bling and which one was cleaned with the Simple Shine? So yeah, the one on my left was cleaned with magic bling after being cleaned with the Simple Shine, and then the other one was cleaned with Simple Shine. So there you go. This one was cleaned with the magic bling. It's a little whiter and brighter. This one was cleaned with the Simple Shine. It's still clean, just not as bright, but again, both did a great job. I mean, it's just that magic bling really cuts through the tarnish. I mean, I can see a difference. My eye is very fine. I can see a difference, but they both did a great job. And for me, Magic Bling is just elite, and there's no topping it. And I'm not affiliated with them. In fact, I wish I could tell you guys where to get it, but I can't find it anywhere. I got it at the auto show, which next year I'm going to stock up on some more. But you guys can get your hands on the Simple Shine, and so Simple Shine would be my runner-up. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I'll be back soon. Bye, Glamazons.